What up, Lizard Gang? How you guys doing today? Alright, so in this video, I took my Mavic 3 Pro to Parker, Arizona, and I'm just flying it around, getting some footage. The reason why I wanted to make this video is because I have another channel where I just dedicate my time to making these kind of videos, where I'm like talking about boats and off-roading and stuff like that. I actually want to get it monetized because the Lizard Hunter ain't working no more. I know that a lot of you guys are going to be disappointed. I'm not going to stop making the videos, but I figure I'd make this other channel so I could make videos about the things that I like to do in my spare time. I like to go out to the lakes and stuff like that. I like to go off-roading. If you're also that type of person that likes to go off-roading in the lakes and you're not just about lizards, go ahead and subscribe to that channel. I'm gonna leave the link in the description and in the comment section below. Hopefully we could get deep on that channel too. So with that being said, go ahead and subscribe to my other channel, man. If you're gonna bring any type of negativity to the other channel, I'm just letting you know ahead of time that you're gonna be blocked. There's not gonna be any sort of chance for you to get any negative comments in there, so I wouldn't even waste my time going over to the other channel. But if you want to support and you want to see what I do in my spare time, or you guys want to see what I do for fun, go ahead and subscribe, man. I've been watching other YouTube channels that do like boating content, and they're mainly off of Miami. They're recording out there in Miami, and I was thinking about whenever I go to California to go to Newport Beach and like actually record all the boats that come out of there. So if you guys are interested in this boat content, there's a lot of this coming your way. If you guys want to subscribe, if you guys want to see this kind of content, then I'll just make some time to go ahead and get this kind of videos, or make this kind of content. Also, for the people that like off-roading, I'm gonna be like strapping a camera onto my helmet and going out with a Can-Am, and we're gonna be going off-roading a lot. So there's gonna be a lot of videos coming. If you guys do want to watch this, let me know in the comment section what you guys want to see. If you guys want to see these kind of videos, if you guys don't, just go ahead and stay here. You guys don't have to go over there, subscribe or anything like that. There's gonna be plenty of content coming to this Lizard Hunter channel. The only thing that sucks is that I don't get monetized. Anything that I throw up there never gets monetized. I don't know. I'm not even sure if this is gonna get monetized. So with that being said, if you guys like this kind of content, let me know, and I'll keep on bringing it. Later, guys.